Hello, my name is Daniel Smith. I'm the supervising attorney over at San Diego Defenders. I'm here to talk very quickly today about the seizure of money that the U.S. government takes part in every year. It's a forfeiture of U.S. currency that's mailed. And people ask me, is it legal to mail U.S. currency, cash, in a priority envelope, just like this one right here? And the answer is yes, it's quite legal. But the fact of the matter is that the government on a regular basis will x-ray the parcels of mail going through, see that there is cash, and they will seize the cash on the theory that the cash is being used for some illegal purpose. There are two different ways to try to get that money back. One way is administratively by petition, and the other one is by claim through the U.S. Attorney's Office through the U.S. courts. Now, once you get a claim, or I should say an asset forfeiture letter in the mail, it'll look something like this one here. And if you take a look at that, my client here was a doctor back in the Midwest, and all he gets is this two-page letter indicating that he can go to the website, which is the forfeiture.gov website, and get all the information that he needs to make a claim. They say you don't need an attorney to do that. You can do it yourself. But the fact of the matter is it's a little more difficult than they let it on to be. And on top of that, they give you a notice that if you don't file it correctly, if it's frivolous or if it's a false statement, they can fine you and penalize you. And they threaten you with that as well. So what we're trying to talk about today is, what do you do? How do you go about answering this sort of forfeiture question? In this particular case I'm talking about, my client had $18,000 that he was mailing to help a friend that didn't have a bank account, that couldn't put cash into a bank account without it being taken. So there are many people that are in that situation, and it's a perfectly legal situation in which to mail cash to that person. I've done it before with my sister. I think we've all done it in the past, and certainly we've received a letter or a card from our grandparents with a 20 spot or something like that in it, saying, here, go have a great time on your birthday. It might have been a $100 bill as the years went by. And that kind of money could be taken by the government. So it's important to know that you have rights. It's important to know that the forfeiture laws aren't cut and dry, that they're very complicated, and that you do have to challenge the government. And it's not quite as easy as just going to this website, which you can go to and see all the different agencies. Over there you'll see that there's the U.S. Customs, there is the DEA, the IRS, the United States Postal Service. They're all in it trying to get our money and forfeit it for the use of the government. So call us at San Diego Defenders. We'll talk a little bit about that and what exactly you do with these forms and how we can go about getting your money back. Now, it's not just as easy as saying, hey, we file the forms, we get it done. There are some complications that we have to deal with. If it is a case that's a little more common, let's say it's a vehicle that's been seized, the letter that you're going to get is going to be quite a bit longer. It's going to be about 3 pages long, 4 pages long, maybe even 5. And we can go through that on another video. That's when they take a car. This is a little toy car that I have here. So today we're talking about cash being mailed. United States Postal Service, it could be FedEx, it could be UPS, any number of different ways of getting money across country. But the bottom line is they will take your money. They will send you a letter about 30 days later, and it'll have some instructions. 2 pages, you figure it out. It's a little more complicated than that. Give us a call at 619-258-8888. Read the blog that goes with this video, and we can help you. Give us a call. Thank you very much.